Changing your email on Neteller is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to update your email address quickly and easily. Step 1. Log into your Neteller account. Visit the Neteller website and enter your login credentials to access your account. Step 2. Navigate to Account Settings. Once logged in, locate the Account Settings or Profile section in your account dashboard. This is where you can manage your personal information. Step 3. Select Email Address option. In the Account Settings menu, find the option to update your email address. Click on it to proceed to the next step. Step 4. Enter your new email address. Input your new email address in the designated field. Make sure to double-check for any typos to ensure it is entered correctly. Step 5. Confirm the change. After entering your new email, you may need to verify the change by clicking the confirmation link sent to your new email address. Follow the instructions in the email to complete the process. Once you have completed these steps, your email address on Neteller will be successfully updated. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Netteller's customer support for assistance.